Good morning to all of you. Class 9, chapter 1st, French Revolution, and topic is women's participation in French Revolution. So, women's participation in French Revolution. What are the revolution of why French Revolution participation? So, from the beginning, it started from the beginning. Women were participated active participated in the event which brought about so many changes in the society for the so important in the French society, and they hope that these changes would improve their life, that would precising the revolutionary activity, and government would improve their government introduce some measures to improve their lives. So most of the women of the third state had to work for living, and they worked as a seamstress, laundress, sold flour, fruit, vegetables in market, and employed domestic servant house of the prosperous peoples. Why women do all that works? Women do all that works for the survival, because they have to face these problems, because their husbands were away for fighting. So now the problem is that the time was facing a problem of earning for surviving livelihood. Then for actively participation and for continue fighting for their men, they started earning a livelihood for their children and for their own self. They starting working for their livelihood, and they're doing the work in high class families, prosperous families, like sold flowers, laundress, vegetables sold, in market sold flowers, all the domestic workers, all that thing. At that time, main problem is that most of the women were uneducated, and they did not have any job training also. That time mostly women uneducated and only daughter of the noble families and rich and prosperous families, daughters only of third state. So they got education only some part of some limited age. After that, their families were arranged the marriages and got arranged, and that after that they have to work for their women's care. They have to work for the working women had also care for their family. After that marriage, they have to care for their families, cook, fetch the water, queue for bread, and look after children. These only works are remain for them. So they cannot be actively do any political and activities, and can fight for their participation for rights and political equal freedom, all that thing. Their wages also lower than the men, because world was that time male dominating society, and that thing that women cannot work equal to men. So this is the main thing. The equal wages could not get by women. So in order to discuss their voice and their interest, women started their own political club and newspapers. About 60 women's political clubs came in the French society that time, and the Society of Revolutionary and the Republic Women's, most of the famous from them. One of their main demand of the women was enjoying the equal political right as a man. The women's demand is equal political right. Women's demand is equal political right, because in Constitution 1791 reduced the power of women as a passive woman, and they did not give the rights. They give the rights only for property men, and they denied the powers of women. So these elected assembly, they demanded the right to vote to National Assembly to hold the political power and hold a political office. And only the women would interest to be represented as a new government. In early years, revolutionary government did introduce laws. So in early revolutionary government did introduce laws that help the women's life. What are the laws introduced by women's? Laws introduced for improve the women's life. First, schools open, compulsory schooling for girls, compulsory schooling for girls. Okay, and so compulsory schooling for girls, and their father could no longer force to marry them against their will. Against their wish, marriage contract okay. Divorce was legal. Men and women, both of them can apply for divorce. Women can now train for job and could become artists, run a small business, train for job, small business, professions. Next, women's struggle for equal political right, however, continue during the reign of terror. किसी तरीके से however they continue this struggle in the reign of terror also. But this new government issued some laws and ordering to close down the political clubs, banning their political activities, and many prominent women also arrested and imprisoned them and executed them. Women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continue through the next 200 years, and in the world, and fight for the vote carried out through a international suffrage movement during the late 19th century, early 20th century, and revolutionary kept live inspiring memories. It was finally 1946 women in French got voting right. So finally in 1946 in French, women got right to vote. So this is the participation of women was now completed. Next topic, the abolition of slavery. Very important and very interesting topic actually in this part. Abolition of slavery entails the revolution in everyday life. The revolution in everyday life.